Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Clickup for client management. So as you can see right here, I am currently using the Clickup for client management. So this is just an example, but I'm going to show you as well on how you can create a space for this one. So starting off, you just have to search for clickup.com and you'd be directed to this page. Of course, you have to sign up for an account for you to be able to have your own dashboard. Okay, so to check your account, just click on this at the top left of your screen. And after that, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. Now, to create your own space, as you can see, I have here different spaces. So basically, to create your own space, you just have to simply click on this purple icon or the plus icon right here. So you just simply click on this one and then just have to create a new space. So I'm going to name this one as new client. And then for the description, this one is optional. So if you would like to make this private, you just toggle the switch on and click on continue after that. Now you just have to define your workflow. So just choose a pre-configured solution or customize your listing. So I'm going to select starter, and then after that, just click on create space option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and then your new space will be created. Now what you can do here, this is just an overview of your new space. You'll be able to see here the recent, the documents, the bookmarks, the folder, and then if you would like to add a new card, you just have to simply click on the add card option at the top right of your screen. And then you'd be able to see here now featured a template. For example, we have your task list, we have workloads by status, our portfolio, and more. So I'm just going to add here a new card, which is a task list, and be able to see here now the new card. So now that you have your own space, what you can do is to start managing your new client. So for example, we have here different views. We have list views, we have board views, and if you would like a new view, you just have to simply click on the plus icon. Then for example, for your to-do list, since you have a new client, so all you have to do here is type out day one and you're having a meeting with your new client. After creating your new task, all you have to do is to put here all of the details. So first off, you have here your status and then the assignees. I'm going to assign myself for this one. And then you have the priority tags. I'm going to label this one as urgent. And for the time estimate, maybe an hour. Okay, and then after typing out right here the time estimate, you can now proceed to the tags. If you would like to add the tags right here, so you just have to search for it. And then here, if you wanted to track the time, so you just have to add the time. And then you can also add the description. And you also have here, you can create a custom field if you want to. And then for the tab task, you can also add a new tab task right here. You can also add checklist if you want to. Next, you just have to close this one or just have to share it after creating this one. Now, right here, if you are done creating all of the tasks that you need, you can now have here all of the views that you can use for your management. So as you can see right here, we have this different label at the top. So for example, we have here the date or the due date of this specific task. So say for example, you are done with this task. So now you can move it to the other section. So you just have to simply drag and drop the task. Now, if you think you have a new group, so you just have to add here a new group. So just simply click on this one and then just have to select the color, and then you just have to type out right here the name of this new group, or you can type out right here the label of this new group. After that, just click on save and you'll be able to see here now the new group. So for example, you have an urgent meeting, so you can type out right here a new task, so you'd be able to track what are the events that you have to prioritize. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.